Hello everyone. I'm certainly missing you all. I miss your smiles all round the school and when I'm on the gate at the beginning and end of the school day. I miss hearing your laughter when you're out in the playground at playtime and lunchtime. And I miss seeing you in your classrooms doing your learning, but I know you're doing great learning at home. The teachers are telling me about how you're going to the Zoom lessons and that you're also uploading all your learning. So well done. Now I'm going to set you a challenge. I hope you're up for it. And there's going to be a template on your online platform. And from next week, I'd like you to really think about your learning every day. Think about what wonderful powers you've used, what learning values. So have you been a resilient ranger? If it's been hard, have you pushed yourself, persevered and managed to complete the work in the end? Have you been Captain Challenge, where the work's been okay, but you've made sure you've pushed yourself even further and really challenged yourself? Have you been Reflective Ranger, where you've thought about what you need to make your work brilliant and you've made sure you've edited your work and made it the best it can be? And have you been Captain Collaborate? Have you talked to somebody at home about your learning? So I want you to do this every day for the next few weeks until half term. And then on Thursday, the 11th of February, I'd like you to upload your sheet back onto your online platform. And then we're going to have a celebration assembly on Friday, the 12th of February. And we're going to really celebrate your achievements and think about the learning values and the powers you've used to help your learning. I hope you'll enjoy doing the challenge and I look forward to seeing all those wonderful pieces of work that you'll do between now and then. Happy learning, everyone. Bye for now.